ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Shillong, it's been too long. It's Ronan Keating and I am coming back to India. Finally, I will see you there at the Cherry Blossom Festival, November 19.
The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. It's the way you make me feel. It's better than I've ever known.
Sumbut Menteri Rang Bak Janlau Bak Preston Song Ulay Tu Bak Sorkar Janla Hakatayo Bansawan Kan sa Siyong Ïathir Yatay Halor Jingkylli Palapha the Ministry of Home Affairs Hakabay Day Bak Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Amendment Bill Arjar Arpo Hakijekra Bigla Patay Kubor Bak Preston Ulong Bak Ministry of Home Affairs Kalapan Pai Yaganiga Bill Shaka Sorkar Jala Klem da Ay Jinminjul Ulay Tu Bu Menteri Rang Bak Janla Ulakha Jingalang Igiriw Start Ay But ki officer Hakatayo Bansawan Ïathir Sani Halor Ganiga Anro.
I think last time we have already told that the Ministry of Home Affairs has already returned back that amendment passed in the Assembly, and next week we are going to have a meeting. Chief Minister, myself and a few senior officers including Advocate General will sit down and then how to go forward, because they have already submitted with the views. With their views from the Ministry of Home Affairs. So I'm able to tell you anything. So let us first sit down. We'll have a meeting. Then you will be known. See, I think we don't say that the implementation of this act has just happened few days back. No, we have already constituted even the district task force headed by the respective deputy commissioner, and then even the SPs, they are the members of this committee, and these task force committee is in place, and we have already directed all the deputy commissioners to implement this MRSS Act accordingly and make sure in the respective jurisdiction that it should be implemented in totality. Since the amendment was not approved by the ministry, so it has come back to us. So I can't tell you right now. Let us sit down first. I told you CM has already called a meeting next week, and myself and few legal experts will sit down and then we'll come up with maybe, I don't know how to go about it. I'm just saying that. Okay. Once the rainy season stops, we will start repairing of this road.